Guys, Anushka Sharma is making the most of her time with hubby Virat Kohli, who's currently busy playing ODI series against England. Anushka Sharma is currently on a vacation mode in London, where she is accompanying her husband Virat Kohli for the England ODI series. The couple, who has been often spotted strolling on the streets of the British capital past a few days, shot for an adorable picture together and also took photos with Team India as they were on a train ride. After Virat Kohli, now Anushka Sharma took to social media to share a picture with hubby. In the snap, Anushka warmly hugs the Indian cricket captain from behind. After the match, Indian cricketer KL Rahul took to social media and shared a selfie with Virat, Anushka and Hardik Pandya. Rahul captioned the photo stating, "Loved the train journey today with these amazing people. #UK Diaries. This is called a perfect case of 2-in-1. Work with a lovely vacay."